Hi, I'm John Hassel, the Lake Guy, here with the Debbie French Real Estate Group and Ebby Halliday at Cedar Creek Lake. And we're standing at the clubhouse at Beachwood Estates because we've got a waterfront lot that we just listed in here. It's on a channel. Man, and it is secluded, but it has got some open water views here and there, break away through the trees. Great building site. 200 feet of waterfront. Yeah, 200 feet of waterfront. Big lot, almost an acre of land, with the steel retaining wall, boat slip already dug into it. It's just ready for you to build your dream house. I tell you, this is pretty awesome. Quiet, secluded, no views of houses across from you, so you're gonna love this. We're gonna go take a look at it, and we're gonna come back and tour the clubhouse and facilities here. So let's get ready. You're gonna enjoy this one. Well, now here is the drive up. Now right there's the water treatment plant. Yeah, I know, kind of an eyesore, but you can hide it with some foliage. But it's not noisy, so don't think that you've got this noise going all the time, because you don't have. I've actually sold a house right next to it a couple of years back, and they never even knew it was there other than to see it on occasions. But here's this lot. Look at these beautiful trees you've got. This lot is ginormous. Now there is an old fence that is built on this lot. I don't know why it's there. I think the other previous owner must have wanted to store a boat in there or something of that sort, and that's what they did. But anyway, here's your neighbor next door. There's the end of the street. This is just really one street. There's across the street from you and down the street from you. Let's go down and take a look at the waterfront. Now here I am on the waterfront. Over to your right is your neighbor there. That takes you into the channel, into the big bay area that goes out into the main body of the lake, which is a very, very short ride. Here you've got across from you. You'll build your house kind of right here on this little pad. This is from the dirt that they pulled out when they put in the boat slip. Here's across from you. Like I say, you're on a channel, but here are your neighbors. They're all behind your house. So when you build on this, this is your view. Pretty peaceful, calm, quiet. This is a bit secluded. Absolutely fantastic. Now the cool thing about this is you don't get any wind in here. So you got a pontoon boat, you want to get in and out, no problems with the wind, easy to get your boat in, easy to be able to get your boat out. It's gonna be fantastic. Now we're gonna go across there and let you see from across this channel. Pretty good place though. And then if you hang around, I'll take you and show you the boat slip and the swimming pool. Let's get going. Did want to give you a little bit of a view of the slip that was dug out. That's where you put your boathouse there. And the dirt from digging that out is up here on the lot, so you can use it to spread around. But here again, look at that view. I mean, look at that. The main body of the lake is right on the other side of that. Pretty awesome. And this canal in here is got a retaining wall all the way around it. So there's no water runoff, there's no dirt piling into it. It's clean, it's nice, and it is quiet. Absolutely gonna love it. Let's go across. Here we are across from that lot. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at those trees. Now you can see the retaining wall. Notice it's all galvanized. They did add 100 feet of wall where the boat cutout is for the slip. And you can see that, why that looks newer than the other. But here's your channel right here. It goes back up this way and just right out to the open water. Isn't that beautiful? Come take a look. Here we have the tennis court at the POA Park. Street leading into it, some homes around it. Right down this little pathway here is turnaround circle. The launch ramp is right there. And you can see the homes across the cove there. And right here is the clubhouse. Now we'll go around and take a look at the swimming pool in a second. Now here's the kids' play area. Now this is a big park right here. It's on some very valuable lots. There's the clubhouse. Swimming pool's right behind it. Now there's a fishing pier on the other side, which we'll take a look at. Now here's the pool, and of course the rules that go with it. I believe this is open from Memorial Day through Labor Day. Beautiful pool on a point overlooking just fantastic water. Now as you'll notice, there's a little barbecue grill set out, picnic table set out. Launch ramp is right there. Let's go down and take a look at the fishing pier. Now here's the fishing pier. Look at that view. Isn't that amazing? Yeah, great view. There's the spillway over there. Come back around. Now the park has a sidewalk built at the retaining wall, so you can walk all the way around the park. There's stairs over there. You can walk in and out and go swimming here if you'd like. There's the clubhouse with the swimming pool. Isn't this neat? This can all be yours. You buy that lot, build your beautiful retreat here. Gosh, fantastic. Come take a look. You're gonna love it. Now, if you'd like more information about this lot, please get a hold of me. My information is below. Come take a look at this. I think you'll find it's an amazing subdivision, great building site, quiet, comfortable, secluded. You're really gonna enjoy it, build the home of your dreams. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.